Greetings, I'm Minh, and I'm from Zlink. In this video, I will talk about the video doorbell solution for apartment. And surely everyone is familiar with doorbells, right? Doorbells are an essential item to help people inside know someone has arrived. With a traditional doorbell, a visitor presses the button so the person inside knows to come and open the door. With a video doorbell, an improvement on the traditional doorbell, we can do much more. My company, Zlink, provides advice on solutions from leading brands such as HIK Vision, Yahoo, Comax, iPhone, Panasonic, etc. Now let's explore the video doorbell, which I will refer to simply as video doorbells from now on. So, what is video doorbell? Video doorbell for apartment, also known as video intercoms or simply video doorbells, are smart security devices installed at the apartment entrance, allowing residents to communicate visually and audibly with visitors before opening the door. This device is not just a traditional doorbell system, but also provides a visual communication channel, enhancing both security and convenience for the user. The core function of a video doorbell is to transmit a live video feed of the person standing at the door, while also enabling two-way audio communication between resident and the visitor. In an apartment setting, video doorbell systems can be designed in various ways. Some buildings might be equipped with a man doorbell unit in the lobby phone, that connects to in-video apartment. Visitors use this unit to go design apartment. Additionally, each apartment can also have its out individual video doorbell unit installed at its door. And the reason to use video doorbells in an apartment environment. It is using video doorbells in apartment complexes offers significant benefit, primarily revolving around enhancing security and increasing convenience for residents. One of the primary reasons is enhanced security. Video doorbells allow residents to visually verify the identity of visitors before opening the door, effectively preventing potential intruders or unwanted guests. Even when not at home, residents can remotely monitor who visited the apartment through mobile app. Many systems also have the capability to record image or videos of visitors, providing crucial evidence in case of security incidents. Night vision capability using infrared light also ensures security at night or in low light conditions. Furthermore, video doorbells offer superior convenience. Residents can communicate remotely with visitors without having to go to the door, which is particularly useful when busy or far from the entrance. With systems integrated with electronic door locks, residents can even remotely unlock the door via the app, which is very convenient for guests or delivery personnel arriving when no one is home. For individual with mobility issues, video doorbell help them interact with visitors safely and easily. For building management, video doorbells, especially integrated lobby system, help control access more effectively. Monitor people entering and leaving the buildings, contributing to overall security. Some systems also allow management to communicate with residents to announce important information. Additionally, many modern video doorbells can integrate with other smart home systems, creating a unified security and automation ecosystem. And the main components of the system typically include a camera to capture video, usually with a wide viewing angle and night vision, a microphone and speaker for two-way audio communication, a doorbell button for visitors to press, a network connection, Wi-Fi or Ethernet to transmit data, a mobile application for remote access and control, and an indoor display monitor to view the video feed and interact. And how it works. The operating process of a video doorbell for apartment usually begins when a visitor arrives and presses the doorbell button on the outdoor unit. This action activates the camera on the outdoor unit, starting a live video feed. Simultaneously, the system sends a signal via a wide connection or Wi-Fi network. This signal is transmitted to the indoor unit of the apartment. If the apartment is equipped with a video doorbell monitor, this monitor will receive the signal and display the video feed of the visitor accompanied by the chime sound. At the same time, if the system is connected to the mobile app, a notification will be sent to the resident's smartphone or tablet. Resident can answer the call via the indoor monitor or the mobile app. The integrated microphone and speaker on both outdoor and indoor unit or smartphone allow for two-way audio communication with the visitor. Additionally, residents can open the mobile app at any time to view the live video feed from the doorbell camera, even if the button hasn't been pressed. If the video doorbell system is connected to an electronic door lock, residents can press a button on the indoor monitor or within the mobile app to remotely unlock the door for the visitor. Many systems also have the capability to record a video or capture image when the doorbell is pressed or when motion is detected. These recordings can be stored locally on a memory card or in the cloud, depending on the system. The seamless coordination between hardware, camera, microphone, or speaker, and software like mobile network connection is the key factor for the effective operation of a video doorbell. This interaction allows users to communicate and access remotely. Choosing cloud storage for recording offers convenience in accessing data from anywhere and enhance data protection if the local device is tampered with. However, this also means the system depends on an internet connection and raises potential data privacy concerns with third-party service provider. And these will be some video doorbell models for apartments. This is a single floor apartment. As you can see on the left, is a door, and next to it is a video door phone, and next to it are a phone. In the bedroom is the one on the top, and in the middle is a telephone in the living room, and in the bottom is a monitor inside the house for the owner to see who is outside there. This is multi-floor and multi-room apartment. These solutions provide when visitor arrived but the resident is not home. The visitor is directly connected to the resident via smartphone. Remote connection via Internet IP gateway. This is a model of a video doorbell solution for buildings high-rise luxury towers. This is the connection model for apartment controlled from reception and security. And this one is the model using standard Zlink control box equipment. Our company, Zlink, provides a standard model using the Zlink control box device capable of connecting with third-party solutions like elevator systems, access doors, etc., and offers flexible connectivity supporting even legacy systems. An advantage of using video doorbell in apartment. Installing video doorbells brings many practical benefits for apartment residents, focusing on enhancing security, increasing convenience, and improving communication capabilities. Security, the most prominent advantage is the ability to visually identify who is at the door, reducing the risk of opening the door to strangers. The presence of a camera also acts as a deterrent against individuals with malicious intent. Residents can remotely monitor their apartment entrance even when away, providing peace of mind. And in case of theft or other incidents, recorded data can serve as valuable evidence, and night vision ensures security around the clock. Convenience. Residents can communicate remotely with visitors from anywhere within the apartment or even via smartphone. Remotely unlocking the door for guests or deliveries becomes easier than ever. The visitor log feature allows reviewing who rang the doorbell while you were out. Communication quality is significantly improved thanks to clear video and audio. Video doorbells can sometimes be integrated with the building's internal communication system. Smart home integration. Integration with smart home offers a more connected and automated living experience. Accessibility. Video doorbells are very helpful for people with limited mobility, allowing them to interact with visitors safely and conveniently. Attesting. The modern design of many video doorbells can also contribute to enhance the aesthetic appeal of the apartment entrance. The combination of security and convenience features has made video doorbells an attractive option for apartment living. They not only address the need of safety but also meet the desire and for ease and efficiency in managing visitors. The ability to integrate with broader smart home ecosystem shows a trend where these devices are not just standalone security tools, but part of a network of connected devices, delivering a more comprehensive living experience. Despite offering numerous benefits, the use of video doorbells in apartments also comes with some potential disadvantage and limitation that needs consideration. Cost. The initial purchase and installation cost is often higher than that of traditional doorbells. Surely, and some systems also require subscription fees for advanced features or cloud storage. Privacy concerns. To use the camera raise privacy concerns for both visitor and neighbor. Data security. Data security and the risk of the device or store data being hacked are also valid concerns. Connectivity dependence. Wireless video doorbell rely on a stable Wi-Fi connection. A weak signal can lead to performance issues or connection loss. Even wireless systems mainly require internet access for remote features and app connectivity. Installation complexity. Installation can be complex, especially for wired systems or where integration with the building's existing infrastructure is required. Building regulation might also restrict modification to the apartment exterior. Power requirement. With video doorbells require batteries that need periodic replacement or recharging, while systems need a constant connectivity to a power source. Compatible issue. There might be compatibility problem with all the internal connection system already present in the apartment building. And I have to repeat that my company, Zlink, does provide a Zlink control box solution to help compatible with legacy system like this. Technical issues. Like any electronic device, video doorbell can experience technical glitches or malfunction. Recording limitation. Some basic models may have limited recording capability, only recording when the button is pressed or motion is detected, rather than continuous 24/7 recording like dedicated security cameras. Interference. Wireless signal can be susceptible to interference from other electronic device. The trade-off between the advanced functionality and potential privacy issues is an important factor to consider. Using a camera for security inevitably involves collecting image data of people approaching the apartment, and handling this data must comply with security and privacy principles. Dependence on network connectivity is also a potential weakness. if the internet connection is unstable or interrupted. The smart features of a wireless doorbell can be severely affected, reducing the device effectiveness. Video doorbell solutions for apartments have become an important part of ensuring residents residents' security and convenience, with ability to provide live video feeds in a two-way audio and two-way audio communication. These systems offer greater peace of mind and control compared to traditional doorbell. Although drawbacks such as cost and privacy concerns still exist, the benefits offered by video doorbell, particularly in enhancing security and convenience, have made them a popular choice for many households living in modern apartment complexes. The variety of models and features available on the market allow users to select the system and that best suit their specific needs and circumstances. And if you're in need of software solution, IT device, telecommunication solution, network solution, or VoIP, or even Zlink control box, you can contact with Zlink through this information. Thanks for watching and goodbye.